Beep. Okay, now we're priming the oil pump. Priming the whole oil system. The only thing we did was set on the intake manifold just to keep any dust and shit out of it. So now we watch and wait for oil to start spewing up from the push rods.
That's the west pad. What? That's the west pad. That's the west pad.
Well, drop the tank, drain the fuel over this way. And this guy here, the sending unit and the fuel pump. So I'm going to pick up a new fuel pump. Going to use the same sending unit because this was recently replaced and it's still all good to go. We'll go from there. Sorry, I blocked the brake.
There, put your parking brake on. Good. I'm bringing it down slow.
Here's the video.
You gotta put epic music in the back, like
Chariots of Fire.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm just passing the brake booster here. Crawl underneath it. Make an attempt to do it like this. Let's see if it works. Yeah. Okay, it's just a little too far away to go in right now. The motor either has to come back or the tranny has to come forward.
Well, the train has to come forward, but
okay.
It won't because it's down on this side. Okay, let me just bring this side up because I can see it from here.
Okay.
And it should fall. It's hanging on the stud.
Okay, so the motor's in. It's not bolted to the tranny. We got a couple bolts in just to hold it. Motor mounts are on. And it's coming back to life. You got to change the fuel pump still. But we're getting there. Right, Josh?
Yes, sir.
There you go.